The brief was for a singular family home. The clients are from a rural background and we find ourselves next door to One Tree Hill, Maungakiekie. There was the opportunity really to celebrate that connection for them with this project. From the busy arterial street, you're faced with a contemporary form that is recognisable though as a house. We decided to keep the cladding restrained and very simple, so we've used the same timber from the very moment you arrive on the front fence right through the entire cladding to the back fence and pull fencing. We chose the gable form to express a rural vernacular, and as you come to the back of the building, we've got this screen that follows the gable form. It was a take on the post and wire fence that you see on the boundary to the farm. The screen also provides shading and also some very interesting shadow and light on the walls and on the deck. Extending out towards the park is a pool, so we created a separate outdoor room which basically has you right on the park. Internally, similarly to the outside, a restrained palette of materials was used. The big spine wall separates the public and private functions of the house. On the public side, we have the kitchen and lounge spaces and a great sense of volume, being almost 2 stories in height at its apex. On the private side of the spine wall, the bathrooms and bedrooms are arranged very simply along the eastern side of the house. People ask, is this a rural or a suburban home? Given where we are, it's both, and I think that's what's really special about this house.